Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be going through the process of resetting root password on RHEL 9. So this is the newer version of RHEL on which we'll be seeing how to reset root password. Let's go to the demonstration. Okay, so I have one RHEL 9 machine which is running on Oracle VM. So we'll reset this machine to go into the grub. So I am doing the reset. So now we'll have two kernels basically. One is rescue kernel and other one will be, okay, I'll reset once again. Okay, because I missed this page, so this will be faster in VM. We can configure this to maintain the time of the boot process. So now we are into the screen wherein we have two kernels. One is Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which is the actual kernel through which our server boots up, and the other one is rescue kernel, wherein when we have some problem with the server we have to troubleshoot with this kernel itself. So we'll use this kernel to reset the password also. So now we'll press E to edit this uh, grub to interrupt the boot process. So I'll press E, then we'll go into this line called starting with Linux keyword. So we'll press end to go into the end of the line, and here we'll type rd.break. So this will interrupt the boot process. Okay, now as instructed here we'll press Ctrl X to continue the boot process now. So I am pressing Ctrl X, so it will take few seconds to go into the page wherein we'll reset the password. Okay, we're into the maintenance mode now, which is also called emergency mode. So here what we'll do, we'll mount the sysroot partition as read write. So to do that we'll type this command mount -o option, then remount, and read and write mode we have to provide, and the partition name is sysroot. So this is mounted. Now we'll change the owner of this partition to root. Chroot is the command to change the ownership. So we'll use this command chroot then sysroot. Okay, so root partition is changed, and now what we'll do, we'll just write passwd, which is used to change the password. So if we don't provide any username, which means it will reset the password of root by default. Okay, so here we'll type red hat is the password, red hat. Okay, so I have reset the password. Now what we have to do, we have to create one hidden file called auto relabel under root. URELABEL, auto relabel. This is responsible for setting up your SE Linux context properly once we boot the server again. Okay, otherwise what will happen if you don't use this, so whatever password we set here, it will not work after the restart. Okay, so to make sure that our password is updated and auto Linux is configured, sorry, SE Linux is configured properly, so we write this create this file under root. So now we'll exit from the command. Now server will be booting up. It will take a few more seconds. Okay, because it will actually the time which is required to complete this process, it depends on the disk size also, means whatever mount point is mounted here, so basis on that it takes time. This will take a fewer time because in production environment it may take long time. Okay, so you see now it is it has actually uh, booted successfully. Okay, so hope the password is reset successfully. We'll test that it out once we see the login screen. Yeah, this is booted. So we'll go to root user, root, and we'll type Red Hat as the password. Yeah, this password is login. It is working properly. Thank you so much.